Hello friends, welcome to Fearless Mamta channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding what human values we are supposed to possess and how we can acquire it. First and foremost is health, friends. If you are healthy, then you can be happy, you can prosper in life, and you can enjoy the life how you want to lead your life that you can decide by yourself if you are healthy and happy. प्रायोरिटी रखें दोस्तों, फ्रेंड्स, प्रायोरिटाइज योर लाइफ, व्हाट योर प्रायोरिटीज आर, एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड योर हेल्थ. Second point is gratitude and appreciation. If you have gratitude, then you can prosper in life and you will feel good. Start giving, friends. It's very important. How you can give? If you can give money, you can give clothes. You will feel very good after donating something, giving something. जब आप दान करते हैं दोस्तों, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. नीडी लोगों को, नीडी persons needs to be taken care of by you. They need also, and you will also feel good about it. Kindness and compassion are the most important factors in life. If you are kind enough, then only you can give away things. If you are not kind and you cannot feel the empathy about those people, then it is very difficult for you to give away and feel about those people. So next point is growth. Friends, experience, learning, failures make you better. Even if you fail, either if you are succeeding, then you will learn. If you are failing, then also you will learn. That is very important. Then you need to take care of yourself by that, friends. Be a peaceful person. Calm and peace are very important. For being peaceful, being in harmony, it's very easy. And you need not to spend anything for it. Needs nothing. You remain reactionless. कोई भी रिएक्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है. कोई भी आपको, it is very 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 important, friends. So if you are in peace, then it will affect your health also, and you will feel better. You will be happy. Integrity is the greatest human value, what I feel. If somebody is talking to you and thinking something else inside, then it is really difficult for you to proceed with that type of relation. It is difficult to understand such people, and integrity of such persons are in question. And if you are dealing like that, your integrity is also in question. Take care of that, friends, and develop relationships like that. Gratitude and appreciation costs nothing but gives you power. That empowers you, so that gets the top value. Coming to family. All of us love our family. Are we connected? Are we connected to each other? Do we spend enough time to talk to and understand those people? It is really important. If you are not doing such things, then just take care of it. Human values you cannot inculcate in your family, and people will start developing their own habits, and it will be difficult for you to develop human values in the house and family and surrounding. Friends, it's very important that you put the other person's first needs. If the other person's needs are asking you for something, then go for it. Do it for them. It's really important. They will feel good, then they will, maybe, I don't say that they will revert, but they may revert you also, and they may revert it somewhere else also. So it's a win-win situation everywhere, friends. Coming to the last but not the least, it's, I think, really most important part, that's happiness. How you get happiness? If you are following all the above, then nobody can stop you from being happy. You will be happy, and anybody and everybody around you, surrounding you, who are in your vicinity, will be able to take you for their life. They will love you, they will care for you, since you have developed all these human values. So friends, thank you very much. I will be coming up with more such videos, and I will be taking care of the things what we can take and develop in our life. Thank you very much, friends. Mamta signing off.